Okay, sorry about that. I need to add a little additional piece here. Thursday evening from 5 to 8 when we have the Wildcat Welcome Back. As I mentioned earlier, the students will be going through rotations, and one of the rotations is the 12-minute Care and Connect, and we will work together on Monday to plan what that looks like. But each of you will also be spending 8 to 10 minutes with your students as they rotate from class period to class period with their parents. In that time, rather than discussing content and curriculum, I would really like for you to make it a little more personal, work on developing relationships, just letting the parents and the students know about who you are and developing connections during that time. So it would be perfectly okay to have a syllabus prepared, one that is maybe not exact, just a generic syllabus prepared that you could hand to them as they leave. But it would also be okay to do a Wildcat warm-up where people are introducing themselves to each other, some sort of fun activity. Do an exit slip where you get to know them a bit more. Do something that's a little fun in that 8 to 10 minutes that you have that allows the parents to get to know a little bit more about you and what you're looking forward to this year with their children, and not necessarily filling that time with what you're going to be teaching them, but more how you're going to be teaching them and who you are as a person. So with that being said, I'm going to bounce off of here, and hopefully I've given you enough time to create before we actually jump into this next week. Have an awesome rest of the day.